Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to repurpose this frame into a cute Halloween frame. As you can see, this frame had a lot of tape and glue that I have to remove from the frame in order for me to start the process of repurposing this frame. So I have to take the backing off of the frame, or thick cardstock, and I should have taken all of the sequins out. That is something that I should have done, but I didn't, and I learned from my mistake. But I ended up moving all of the sequins around because I thought that was going to help me. So what you see me doing right now, I have some acetone and I am using a Q-tip to remove the word yum. This is a frame, like I said, that I am repurposing into a Halloween frame. So I thought by using acetone, the word yum was going to come off. And as you can see, I'm having such a hard time getting it off. It won't come off. I tried scrubbing it off with that Q-tip with my fingernail, and it just won't come off. So I told my husband that it wasn't coming off, and then he told me that I needed to use a razor. So he did have a Stanley razor, and so that's what I'm using right now, and that worked so awesome. So I ended up using that. The words came off, like I said, real easy. And if I would have just taken out those sequins in the first place, it would have been a lot better for me, but I didn't. But it still worked out. You can see me just taking off the letters, and it's real. I mean, it wasn't too bad. It's pretty easy. I just kept on pushing and pushing that razor on the letters. Now the letters finally came off, and now you see putting the sequins on this little plate that I have. And now what I'm gonna do, finally that I took out the sequins, I'm going to clean the frame. So I'm cleaning the inside and outside of the frame, and I am going to dry it. So there I am, cleaning it, drying it. Now I'm ready to reassemble my frame. So I'm putting the sequins back into the frame, and then I am going to put the hard cardstock on there and measure my Halloween cardstock that I have. So I found out at this moment that the cardstock that says boo that I chose is a little too big. So now I am going to have to trim it. So that's not a problem. It's just a quick little fix. I thought I had trimmed it earlier, but I cut that little piece too big. Not a big deal. So I end up trimming the Halloween cardstock. Look, it fits perfectly. So that's the first part that you put in. Then you put the hard cardstock on. But I ended up taping this one little piece of paper that came with the frame. So I'm just taping that, getting that ready. Here's the hard cardstock. I'm just reassembling the frame back together. Now I'm putting the cardstock that the picture frame came with, I'm just taping it back on how it came, and my frame is almost ready. So I am going to smooth down the edges to make sure that it is really taped on, because I don't want it to fall off. So I think it looks good. It's stuck on there fine. So look at this. Look how cute that is already. Look at that. Look at all those sequins. So pretty. So this is the final step. I am putting the cutest name on this frame. So I'm making this frame for my friend's little boy. His name is Amir, and I think he's gonna like it. I hope he likes it. So I cut out his name on my silhouette, and I try to find a font that looked Halloweenish. So I found that font. I liked it. So I cut it out. Now I'm burnishing it onto the frame, and that's it. It was a really simple project if you want to repurpose a frame. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I have inspired you to go out, repurpose a frame, get some sequins you like, get a cute cardstock and add it to your frame. Thank you. I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.